Hello, I'm Chad Daugherty, Superintendent here at Huntington County Community School Corporation. Today I'm on the roof of Huntington North High School. We're on here 7 acres under roof in our academic areas. As we're looking at the roof here, you can see here, this is the second roof that was put on Huntington North in 1983. The original roof was put on in 1969 when the building was built. But if you look here, this is the second roof that's laying on top of the first roof. Currently, we have 23 leaks on the top roof that goes down, and the water then will pool on the second roof. So again, you're talking about a 30-year-old roof, 7 acres under roof, and this is a daunting project that we're trying to take care of. Right now, we're on the second roof here that was put on in 1983. The original roof in 1969 was a coal tar pitch roof. It was flat, it had gravel on top of it. It was damaged in 1977-78 of the blizzard. Some of you may remember that. And so what's happened is then we had this existing roof that's put on in 1983. So this roof is over 30 years old, and if you look here, you can see the patching that's taken place over the years with this roof. We've got several leaks that go into several of our classrooms, hallways, actually goes into our library, but we try to be very good stewards of our taxpayer money of trying to patch this. We've patched this several times, as you can see, over the years, different patches, but what's happened is we think we have that leak taken care of, but then this roof is on a second roof, and then that water penetrates this first roof, and it goes down and lays down on the second roof, and then it goes down and penetrates our classrooms. We think we have it, but we just can't pinpoint the leaks. So you can kind of see here where the water will come, and you can see there's some pooling here. When you're talking about freezing and thawing, again, this is what we're dealing with here on the top of Huntington North High School. This project is a magnitude of a project. Look at the roof that we have here, 7.5 acres under roof. It's going to take at least $17 million to address all the needs. We have asbestos under this roof currently. It would take us almost 5 years to renovate and take care of this roof. 25 square a year that we would have to do because of the asbestos. And we haven't even talked about the HVAC. If you look behind me, you see some penthouses. We have our HVAC units, which are almost $9 million replaced. This is a huge and daunting task, and it's a lot of things that we have to do. It's going to take your help as a community member to help us get this project done.